Some creatures in our world are so incredibly strange, you might find. Some creatures out there are so bizarre, you won't believe they're real. It's hard to believe they really exist. Our planet is a canvas filled with incredible life. But beyond familiar lions, tigers, and bears, there is a hidden world of creatures, so strange and fantastical. They seem to have stepped straight out of a science fiction story or an ancient myth. These animals challenge everything we know about biology, evolution, and the limits of nature. They are living mysteries, unusual beauties, and resilient survivors from the farthest corners of our world. From a salamander that never grows up, to the ocean's unicorn with its magical tusk, we are about to let's dive in and discover some of Earth's most astonishing animals. Get ready to meet creatures so extraordinary you might think they are unreal, but they are undeniably real. First on our list is the axolotl, a remarkable creature that seems to carry the magic of eternal youth. Found only in a few lakes near Mexico City, like Lake Xochimilco, it's often called the walking fish, though it's not a fish at all. This unique salamander has a rare trait called neoteny, meaning it reaches adulthood without transforming, keeping its juvenile tadpole-like body forever. Imagine a person who lives their whole life looking like a child. That's the axolotl. Its feathery external gills spread from its head like a soft, elegant crown, and unlike other amphibians, it stays underwater. It stays underwater all the time, never coming up for air. Its wide, lipless face forms a gentle, almost cartoonish smile, captivating anyone who sees it. Beyond its adorable looks, this animal holds secrets of regeneration that could one day help humans, making it both strange and astonishing. But wait, there's more. The axolotl's wonders go far beyond its cute appearance. This amazing creature has powers that would make any comic book hero jealous. Its regenerative abilities are legendary among scientists. If an axolotl loses a limb, it doesn't just grow a simple stump. It regenerates a perfect, fully functional limb, complete with bones, muscles, and nerves. And that's not all. This remarkable animal can repair its spinal cord, regrow parts of its brain without leaving scars, and even accept organs transplanted from other axolotls. Researchers are studying these extraordinary amphibians, hoping one day to unlock their secrets and bring breakthroughs to human medicine. Yet despite these incredible abilities, the axolotl is critically endangered. Urban growth and pollution in its native lakes have pushed it dangerously close to extinction. Its survival is now fragile, reminding us that even the most resilient and magical creatures can be vulnerable to human impact. Protecting this biological wonder is urgent, not just for science, but for the extraordinary life that continues to astonish and inspire us. Next, we travel across Asia and Africa to meet a creature so extraordinary it could be mistaken for a walking pine cone or a tiny armored dinosaur. This is the pangolin, the only mammal in the world completely covered with scales. These scales, made of keratin, the same material as our fingernails and rhino horns, form a natural suit of armor. When danger approaches, the pangolin uses a simple yet highly effective defense. It curls up into a tight, impenetrable ball, shielding its soft belly beneath its sharp-edged scales. This tactic works so well that even predators as strong as lions and tigers struggle to break through. The name pangolin comes from the Malay word penguling, meaning one who rolls up, perfectly describing its main survival strategy. Shy and nocturnal, pangolins are solitary creatures. These little guys are so secretive, spend their days hidden in hollow trees or underground burrows, only emerging at night to search for food, making them mysterious and fascinating residents of their habitats. Pangolins are specialized insect eaters, feeding almost entirely on ants and termites. They are perfectly built for this diet. Without teeth, they rely on their long, strong claws to tear open ant nests and termite mounds. But their real secret weapon is their tongue, astonishingly long, in some species even longer than their entire body. This sticky, muscular tongue is anchored deep in their chest and can dart in and out with incredible speed, gathering thousands of insects every night. A single pangolin can consume around 70 million insects each year, playing a crucial role in controlling insect populations and maintaining balance in their ecosystem. Sadly, despite their tough, armored appearance, pangolins are among the most endangered mammals in the world. They are hunted relentlessly for their scales, which are mistakenly thought to have medicinal value, and for their meat, considered a delicacy in some cultures. Illegal trafficking has made them the most trafficked mammal globally, highlighting how human activity can threaten even the most uniquely adapted and extraordinary creatures on Earth. From the armored pangolin on land, we dive into the icy waters of the Arctic to meet a legendary creature, the narwhal, often called the unicorn of the sea. This medium-sized whale is instantly recognized by its single, incredibly long tusk. This tusk can reach up to 10 feet and is not a horn but a specially elongated canine tooth, growing from the left side of the upper jaw in males. Its spiral, helical shape gives it a mystical, almost magical appearance. For centuries, Vikings and northern traders sold these tusks as unicorn horns, fetching huge prices due to their supposed magical powers. While some females grow a small tusk, it is mainly a male trait. Scientists believe the tusk is important for mating rituals. Males have been seen crossing their tusks in a behavior called tusking, likely used to show dominance or interact socially. The narwhal remains one of nature's most enchanting and mysterious creatures, a real-life unicorn roaming the Arctic seas. The purpose of the narwhal's magnificent tusk has fascinated scientists for centuries. It turns out this tusk is more than a decorative feature or a tool for fighting. It is a highly sensitive sensory organ, packed with up to 10 million nerve endings. Its porous surface allows the narwhal to detect subtle changes in its surroundings, including water temperature, pressure, and salinity. Essentially, the whale can taste the water, helping it navigate the dark Arctic seas and locate its prey, mainly fish, squid, and shrimp. The tusk can even be used to hunt, stunning fish with a swift tap before eating them. Narwhals spend their entire lives in the harsh Arctic, with shifting sea ice and freezing temperatures. This dependence makes them highly vulnerable to climate change, as melting ice disrupts their migration routes and food supply. The narwhal is a true Arctic specialist, a living marvel of adaptation in one of the most extreme places on Earth. Planet's most extreme environments. Our next stop is the dark, mysterious forests of Madagascar, where we meet a creature that seems to have stepped out of a Tim Burton movie, the Ai. This nocturnal primate is a type of lemur, but so unique that it belongs to its own special family. Its appearance can be unsettling to some. The Ai has large, round eyes that glow in the dark, perfect for spotting prey at night, and enormous, highly sensitive ears that can rotate independently like radar dishes. Its bushy, squirrel-like tail adds to its unusual look. But the most striking feature is its hands. Each hand has long, spindly fingers, with the middle finger being exceptionally long, thin, and skeletal. Though it appears fragile, This strange finger is the Aishai's ultimate tool. Its long, thin fingers are perfect for tapping tree bark to find tasty insects, crucial for tapping into tree bark to find insects and survive in its forest home. The Aishai employs a one-of-a-kind foraging technique known as percussive foraging. It scurries along tree branches, tapping rapidly on the wood with its skeletal middle finger up to 8 times per second. Its oversized ears listen carefully to the echoes, revealing the hollow tunnels of insects hiding beneath the bark. Once it pinpoints a grub, it uses its sharp, ever-growing rodent-like teeth to gnaw a small hole in the wood. Then, it inserts its slender, flexible middle finger into the cavity, twisting it with a ball and socket joint to reach around corners and hook the unsuspecting larva. This remarkable method makes the Aishai the only primate to forage this way, occupying a niche similar to a woodpecker. Sadly, its eerie appearance has led to its persecution. In some local traditions, the Aishai is considered a sign of bad luck, or even a sign of bad luck. Superstitions and habitat loss have put this unique primate in danger. An evil omen, superstition, combined with habitat loss, has made this clever and specialized primate endangered. Finally, we venture into the tropical swamps and marshes of East Central Africa to meet a bird that seems like a living dinosaur, the shoebill. This enormous, prehistoric-looking bird is named for its massive, shoe-shaped bill. Standing up to 5 feet tall with a wingspan of around 8 feet, the shoebill is a striking and commanding presence. Its plumage is a uniform slate gray, and it can remain perfectly motionless for hours, earning the nickname statue-like. But the most captivating feature is its gaze. Its large, yellowish eyes face forward, rather than to the sides like most birds, giving it precise binocular vision and an intense, unblinking stare that is both mesmerizing and slightly eerie. The star of the show is its bill, a gigantic shoe-shaped weapon tipped with a sharp, powerful hook, capable of catching fish and other prey. The shoebill is truly a fascinating bird, like a living dinosaur, precision and strength. Truly, the shoebill is a living relic, a bird from another age. The shoebill is a patient and deadly predator, specializing in catching large fish, especially lungfish. It uses a hunting technique called collapsing, standing completely still in shallow waters, sometimes for hours, waiting for an unsuspecting fish to pass by. Then with lightning speed, it lunges forward in a powerful, crashing motion, scooping up the prey along with a large volume of water. Its massive bill crushes and decapitates the catch before swallowing it whole. The force behind its strike is astonishing. Shoebills are solitary and fiercely territorial birds. Even their chicks can be ruthless, as the strongest often kill weaker siblings to claim more food from their parents. Sadly, these ancient-looking birds are classified as vulnerable. Habitat destruction from swamp drainage and human disturbance threatens their survival. With their patient hunting and devastating strike, shoebills are a remarkable example of nature's fierce beauty power, yet they struggle to survive in our rapidly changing world.